This is a USB. You can do a million things with it. You can charge your phone with it, listen to music, binge watch a bunch of movies, or store a whole lot of cat gifts. What if you can control your entire home with it? Meet the HC Mini, the heart of a smart home. It is the world's smallest home controller. HC Mini can connect and configure up to 60 different smart home devices compatible across 200 brands over a range of 80 meters. HC comes with endless possibilities. You can set your daily routines to save time, assign rules, and set scenes at your convenience. Program it to schedule lightings before you reach home. Get real-time alerts when they're needed most, and keep a virtual eye on your home from anywhere in the world. Powered by a 5V USB output, it can run via your power backup without a hitch. And with Hogar Pro app on your smartphone or with voice commands via Alexa, unleash the power of HC Mini. Our best-in-class support helps in setting up HC in just a few minutes, and our unmatched warranty gives you peace of mind. The HC Mini, simply small, brilliantly big. Get in touch with us today for your custom smart home solution.